right? You're going to get into the trade and then it's going to pop up. This shouldn't panic you. And then you get the nice, beautiful Widowmaker. You're like, yay. Then you get a buyer's candle. So if I was a scalper, hold on. So if I was a scalper, I would have got out immediately right here. You see this candle? That would have told me to get out. It popped back up. Then it immediately pulled back. So right here was resistance. You can clearly see it, and you're below VWAP, starting to trend down. You can hammer this pig, then you break the low a day again, right? Do you see how this works? So completely different from a scalper to a 2-minute EWO, just like right here. Look at this. These are puts again. So it came down, stair stepped up, came down, stair stepped up, came down. Now you're waiting for it to break right here. If it breaks right here, bang, I'm going to go into puts. If it bounces, this will then become support, and this would be calls. And if it's going to be calls, it's going to ride right back up to here. And then here's my channel. So this is going to be call level up here, and this is going to be put level down here. Makes sense? Okay, good. This is the channel. Can you see this channel? Yes. This is it right here. This is the channel. This is a scalper's channel. If it breaks up, calls. Breaks down, puts. Don't overthink it. Here's your calls. Here's your puts. Here's your stop. Here's your stop. Make sense?
Yes.
That's it. Don't overthink it at all. That's it. Period. Point blank. Don't overthink this thing at all. If you're a scalper, you already know exactly what to do. We can do it on every single level, every single condition. Here was another one. Right here. Right here. This was the channel. Came down. Support. Bounced up. Resistance. Came down. This is like a mini double bottom. It broke through. Bang. There's your puts. If it would have went through here, here's your calls. Here's your stop. And then here's your stop. Done. That's it. Right? And guess what else?
Yes.
When in doubt, you could have a straddle. If I had a straddle right here, I'd have one call and one put. When it decides to rip back to the upside, I dump my put. If it breaks down below, I get rid of my call. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. If you guys use Turbo Trader and set this up, let me change it. Turbo Trader, not stocks, options, I think we're doing. If you do the limit offset right here, you can make it anything you want. Right here's a 20-cent offset. See it?
That's it. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, that way you won't be chasing it. It'll say, hey, give it up to X variance to make the move. Make sense?
I like it.
Yep. And now look at right here with support. See how this turned into support, which was right here. And like I said, this is your channel, right? This is a scalper's channel. Yes? You see the Q's now below that 464? And same thing. So if we took these puts right here, right? And we had our stop right here. This is our risk. This is your reward. Make sense? If you're a scalper and that costed you 20 bucks, 200 bucks, whatever, guess what? The second it makes the transition to go the other way, right here is 1,000 to 2,000, right? If it was this much, and if it was this much, well, guess what? There's your $60 to $80, right? Master scalpers.
Yes.
I mean, it's just, you just have to look at it, what it's doing, why it's doing it, where's it going to go, what's it going to do. But this is why I always tell you guys, are you a scalper? Which means you are the best of the best. You know what you're doing. You can handle any situation. I can read this candlesticks. I can see the patterns. I know every support and resistance. I know what the hell's going on. I know what news is going to happen, what's going to create different things. Or are you a 2-minute EWO that triggers where it's at, it broke above where it's level or below where it's supposed to be, and then you let it ride for the next 6 hours?